Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're jumping in to talk about Near Protocol. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 10,000 subscribers, and hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified every time we drop a new video on the channel. We're dropping videos every single day, so you're going to want to get notified so you can hit your crypto goals. And don't forget to grab your free copy of my book, The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. Grab it while it's free. It is my gift to you, 100% free. It won't be free forever, so grab it while you can. Okay, so jumping in, Near Protocol has been one of the outperformers in this bull market thus far, and we did do another video on the channel specifically about Near Protocol a couple of weeks ago. You should go and check that out on the channel to see where we think the price of Near is going to in the course of the next 12 to 18 months. But jumping in, we're going to discuss Near Protocol and look at some of the stuff that's happening on chain with Near Protocol, as well as what's been going on with its price action. So we know that Near Protocol is a layer 1 blockchain solution aiming to be a competitor in the space with the likes of other layer 1 solutions like Ethereum, Solana, Sui, Aptos, etc. And they're trying to position themselves as the solution to the blockchain trilemma and be ultimately a very scalable, highly efficient layer 1 blockchain solution. And again, lots of the stuff on their website you can check out yourself. We went through some of this in the price prediction video, but comparing their cost per block, their fees, and their data throughput, they do come out on top on a lot of different metrics, at least in theory, when it comes to some of the stuff that they're able to do on chain with their layer 1 solution. Again, we're seeing the build out of, I think, a lot of different apps on the Near blockchain at the moment. We talked about the different narratives in our price prediction video for what's happening there with them bringing more people into the Web3 space and getting developers building decentralized applications on Near, and they're trying to make it as user-friendly as possible for developers to create highly scalable applications in a blockchain first world. So again, you can check out a lot of this stuff on their website yourself, and you can see some of the value propositions that they are talking about when it comes to Near Protocol. Okay guys, very briefly, I want to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is EchoPay. EchoPay and the team are making it super easy and extremely seamless for you to purchase all of your favorite EVM crypto coins and meme coins on the blockchain. All you need to do is head over to echopay.xyz. You can open up their application and sign in with a Google account or similar. They've built in this extremely simple to use interface with single sign-on. And as you can see, you can simply sign in with an existing Gmail or Google account and use their platform to select and purchase your favorite meme coins. For example, they've got Pepe, they've got Brett, they've got Boop, they've got a bunch of other meme coins to select from. And again, if you filter by DeFi, they've got some of the most popular DeFi tokens like Uniswap, Chainlink, Lido, Avo, the Graph token, and even Pendle, which has been one of the biggest performers this year so far as well. So give EchoPay a try, guys. I'm going to be talking with the founder of EchoPay on the channel as well. These guys are building something super cool, creating a very simple interface for you to interact and purchase your favorite cryptos. Head over to app.echopay.xyz. You can grab the link in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to make it super easy for you guys to jump over here, check it out, create an account, and purchase your first tokens. It is super easy, and I'm super excited to be partnering with these guys. A very genuine group of people, a great team behind the project, and you guys can check it out for yourselves. Jump over and look at the price action here on the chart for Near over the past couple of years. We can see that in the previous cycle, we did get all the way up to a $20 Near Protocol price. So this was the peak here at the very end of 2021. when we saw the peak of the bull cycle, when Bitcoin was putting in those prices around $69,000 at the end of 2021, NEAR did get all the way up to a $20 price target. It did retrace massively during the course of the bear market all through 2022 and all through 2023 until we got to the end of October here. And it did get down to those $1 price levels before really bouncing back up here above the $5 mark, where, well, we're sitting just above $5 as of right now here on June 19th, 2024. But we did get NEAR all the way up to about $8.89, almost to the $9 mark here in the first week of April. At the end of May or beginning of March, when we saw Bitcoin putting in those pre-halving all-time highs around $73,000. It has retraced in the past few weeks in line with much of the rest of the market, and we did see a little bit of blood in the past week or two as well with the entire market. So NEAR is currently sitting at that $5 price point, but it still has been one of the best performers throughout the course of this bull cycle. If we jump over to NEAR protocol versus Bitcoin, so this is NEAR mapped against the price of Bitcoin, we can see that NEAR has been on a very, very solid uptrend for the period from October 2023 until today. And again, this upwards trend is NEAR's price action versus Bitcoin. And if we just draw out and look at that kind of price action, taking it from those October lows to the prices today, NEAR has outperformed Bitcoin itself by a factor of about 136%. So we know Bitcoin is up about 150% since this time last year. And if you were arbitraging NEAR versus Bitcoin or investing in NEAR since October of last year, you would be seeing a better performance, a better return on your investment versus if you had just invested in Bitcoin. So NEAR has been one of the few, there is a handful of them like BNB, Solana, and a number of the meme coins and a few the RWA coins as well that have actually significantly outperformed Bitcoin, and NEAR protocol is definitely one of those tokens. It has been putting in some very, very positive upwards price movement and price discovery since kind of breaking out of this downtrend all throughout the course of 2023. So lots of positive price movements for NEAR protocol. And when we did the price prediction video, we did talk about the fact that NEAR was at this price closer to $7 just a few weeks ago, but the amount of tokens that we now have in circulation has grown from 606 million NEAR protocol tokens at the end of 2021 to over 1 billion NEAR tokens right now. And for that reason, it means that the price action of NEAR has to do so much more work in order to get back up to those market cap all-time highs, because we've got, something like 40 to 50% additional tokens now in circulation versus when it was putting in those all-time high prices here at the end of 2021 around $20. So again, given the fact that there are so many more tokens now in circulation, and given the fact that we've seen some very positive upwards price movement with NEAR significantly outperforming Bitcoin, I think it does bode pretty well for the performance of NEAR throughout the course and the remainder of this bull cycle. And again, jumping over to the Artemis terminal here, where we can see some statistics and data based on the actual on-chain technical analysis, we can see that NEAR has actually been getting a lot of adoption and a lot of daily active addresses and users here over the course of the year 2024 to date. So again, we can see here NEAR is denoted by this white line in the chart here. You've got the likes of Solana and Polygon here in the green and purple respectively. So in many cases and on many days, NEAR is actually having more active addresses than the likes of Solana and Polygon. So very interesting to see the amount of actual use that the NEAR protocol blockchain is getting. Very significant amounts of stuff happening on chain, which is always very positive to see. We see a lot of decline with other protocols and other layer ones that claim to be doing all these amazing things when in reality they don't actually have much adoption happening and they don't have much daily active users. But NEAR is showing very good adoption and lots of significant movement here on a daily basis in terms of daily active users. And that's been growing pretty healthily and pretty steadily. You can kind of, if you imagine the uptrend happening here throughout the course of 2024 thus far, this is going back to the start of January this year, we are on a nice steady uptrend with the amount of daily active users and addresses here on Near Protocol. So very positive sentiment on both the price action side of things, with Near significantly outperforming Bitcoin, and very positive sentiment here with the amount of daily active addresses and action that we're actually seeing happening on chain, which is the most important thing for a layer one, in my opinion. So lots of positive sentiment around Near. They're doing some very interesting things. I'm not sure personally where all of this action is coming from with the daily active addresses. I'm assuming it's coming from a number of the different decentralized applications that are using and running on Near Protocol. If you've got any insights into that, please drop it below in the comments. I'd be keen to check out some more of the dApps and applications that are actually running within the Near ecosystem. So please drop them below if you're aware of them. I might even make a video on a couple of them, so let us know in the comments below. But lots of positive stuff going on for Near Protocol in the past few months. And as we move forward in the next 12 to 18 months, if we can continue the upwards price movement for Near that it's been on here since Q4 of 2023, and the fact that it's been on a very solid uptrend versus Bitcoin throughout that period of time as well, I think it does bode pretty well for us getting towards new all-time highs in terms of both price and market cap for Near Protocol. It is one of the stronger layer ones when it comes to all of these fundamentals that are inherently important when it comes to price action and adoption on chain. So let us know in the comments below, are you a Near Protocol bull? Are you holding Near as part of your bull run portfolio? Where do you think the price of Near is going? Make sure to check out that price prediction video we did a few weeks ago on the channel as well. And as always, if you enjoy the content, please smash that thumbs up button on your way out the door, hit that subscribe button, and smash the bell notification icon so you can get notified every time we drop a new video. And don't forget to grab your copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. Grab it while it's free. It is my gift to you. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.